Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very effective way to keep your privacy intact by hiding the playing media notification content on Chrome. If you've ever been listening to music, watching videos, or streaming any content through Chrome, you might have noticed that a notification always pops up and can even appear on your lock screen. While useful, it can also show details that you may prefer to keep private. Thankfully, there's a quick fix, and I'll guide you through each step. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your Settings app. This is where most of the adjustments for notifications and privacy take place. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Next, look through your list of installed apps and select Chrome. This is important because we're directly controlling how Chrome sends you notifications. Once you're in Chrome's App Info page, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see several categories of notifications that Chrome can send. To fine-tune this, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can customize what kind of alerts you do and don't want to see. From the list, find Playing Media and select it. This option controls the notifications that appear whenever Chrome is playing audio or video in the background. Now, all you need to do is tap on Lock Screen and then choose Hide Content. By making this change, Chrome will no longer display the details of what media is playing on your lock screen. This means titles, thumbnails, or any other information will be hidden, giving you additional privacy. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Chrome's playing media content from your lock screen notifications. This little adjustment is especially useful when you share your device with others, or simply want to keep what you're watching or listening to more private. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to follow along for more quick tips to make your Android experience smoother and more secure. Thanks for watching.